Welcome back to Mayakoba, aka PGA Tour course. I think this is number 4 on the channel actually. Really nice course out here. Thanks to 2 Getaway Travel for getting us out here. Hot day, we got a storm coming in, but hanging in there. I was kind of complaining before about me just not being used to the humidity, so I'll show a bunch of guys shots out here, mainly mine, but yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoy this back nine. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you are new to the channel. If you haven't watched the front nine, go and watch it. Yeah, so anyways guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on hole number 10. Peace. Alright guys, after that par 3, we now got hole number 11, par 4, playing 350 yards. I'm just gonna hit a little 4-iron up there, put it down the middle, and hit a nice shot onto the green. You do got this little force carry, or I guess, I don't know, big old bunker thing in front of us, but it shouldn't be an issue. Alright, that was 2 really rough holes back to back. I'm going to try to turn around right here. Par 4, hole number 12. We got a bunch of maintenance on the right. Hopefully I did not hit them. A lot of breeze into the face, and looks like it's pretty wide open, honestly. No bunkers in play. Yeah, so let's say 1 down the middle. Try to keep it in play. So we are on hole number 13, par 5, wind all into the face. Again, gonna play really long. Not sure the exact yardage of it, but hey, I'm gonna try to hit a good drive like last time. Alright, hole number 14, dead into the wind, hardest hole on the course. There is a little creek running up there at a certain point, so I don't know what it is to reach it, but yeah, let's hit some good ones right down the middle. Alright guys, so I thought I hit a great drive down here, but we probably got like, that thing probably only went like 220 and she's like at 240, no, maybe even 200. I got 212 to the green, all into the wind. I'm gonna be short, be a tough shot.
putt, I move you back in frame just as a head.
Man, I cannot read greens. I think they break opposite ways every time, I swear. Oh my goodness, guys. Storm is in front of us. You can probably hear the wind. This is probably like a 3 club wind. It's playing 151 from where we're at, and I don't even know what club I'm gonna hit. Maybe a 4-iron. Look at that. That is nuts. That storm is scaring me. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get out of here with my flight, but this is one of their signature holes right on the ocean. Super cool. And yeah, gonna be very tough. Very, very tough.
Oh shit, there's a hole right here, Reedy. Oh yeah, this is all you need. Great shot, Nick. Don't be too much. Just off the back.
Guys, look at this. Look at that flag. I just hit a 5-iron at 143. Yanked it snappy left, and the wind just took it another like 100 yards. This is crazy. Alright, camera's going inside.
Well, I hate to cut it short.
I'm not going to film this hole. I don't want the camera to get
Boys
ruined.
were headed up top.
All right, hole number 16, par 5. Playing like 468 yards from our tees. Pretty wide open up there. The hurricane thunderstorm is now over with. We just got rained on a little bit, but we're all good now. So that will conclude the back 9 out here at Mayakoba. Honestly, a great time, great people, really fun out here. I wish Moose could have been here, but hey, next time, right? So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. I made it through 18 holes today, thank goodness. And yeah, fun time. Thanks to Getaway Travel for having us out. Just great people, and then Ryan from Maverick Performance. But beautiful course, nice breeze out here, which is really nice. You guys saw hole 15 with the hurt or tornado, whatever the thing's coming in, called I think Grace. That was a tough hole. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video, and that's all of it for Cancun. Peace.